How to add 3D zoom effect on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to CapCut. As you can see, this is the homepage. Now upload a photo from here or just choose from your draft. I already have this photo. Now after you choose your photo, go down here, click on edit. After you click on edit, now swipe right until you find the style option. Click on style and swipe right until you find 3D zoom right here. Click on 3D zoom, and now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and the effect is ready. As you can see, now let's see the effect. As you can see, it looks so good. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.